What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new UK weather report, and we have a big chance for some thunderstorms today. Starting the day off, there may be more energy in the air than we've expected, as we already have some lightning popping off in an area of heavy rain pushing up north. Moving on to later today, and we have a very high chance for some thunderstorms from around 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So this is when we could get some pretty big thunderstorms. These thunderstorms are going to be pretty heavy, with lots of lightning and hail expected. So, we are on storm watch for today for some big thunderstorms later today. Well, thank you for watching this UK weather report, and I'll see you soon for another update. Bye for now.